Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, we are going to read a passage and then focus on some everyday expressions. Okay, we would explain some phrases, some expressions, okay, that are useful for everyday language, everyday life. Okay, so who would like to read the passage? Raise your hands. Okay, Magnisa, you please read the passage.
Okay, sir. Unexpected holiday. Lucky has some exciting news for her friend Jill in Toronto, Canada. Dear Jill, you will never guess what's happened. I have won the lottery. Well, I did not win the first prize, but I won enough to treat myself to a holiday. Talk about surprise. I nearly fainted when I heard the news. I have been a bit depressed and I have decided to take a holiday. There's nothing to touch a holiday to cheer people up. I thought I might come and see you in Toronto and perhaps stay with you for a couple of days. I am hoping to come for a month, but most of the time I would stay with my mother's sister who lives just outside Toronto. Believe it or not, my boss has agreed to let me take a month off work, although I have not anywhere near that much holiday left to take this year. Of course, the extra time off is without pay, but I am surprised he did not refuse to give me it. Wonders will never case. I am hoping to come next month when I can still get a cheap flight. After that, it's a peak season and the fares are much more expensive. I wonder if you could perhaps get a few get a few days holidays to act as my tourist guide. What about it? Please don't worry if that's not possible. We can always meet up in the evenings and leave my aunt to show me the sights. Heaven, heaven knows when I will ever have enough money again to come over, and so I hope my visit comes at a good time for you. If it does not, please feel free to say so. I know that you are often very busy at work. Let me know as soon can. My mother has just had what she thought was a brilliant idea. She suggested I take my younger brother Paul with me. Fortunately, I managed to convince her this was just not possible. Fancy having to look after a teenage boy in a strange city. I hope to hear from you and see you soon. Love, Lucy. Formal letters are written in the style of spoken English.
Okay, good. Now, some of the expressions that we have here in blue, we will discuss them. Okay, so for example, the first one is you'll never guess. Okay, what happened? You'll never guess. So let's go to the explanation part. Okay, and another one is talk about. Okay, there is nothing to touch. Okay, in third paragraph, believe it or not. Okay, and not anywhere near. Wonders will never cease. Okay, so this word is cease. Learn the pronunciation. Wonders will never cease. Okay, in fourth paragraph, what about it? Okay, in fifth one, heaven knows. Okay, feel free. And last one, fancy. Okay, let's get to the explanations. Okay, so Haya, can you read the first one here? Not anywhere near. Okay, how we can use this? Can you read the explanation? Yes, Haya, can you read it? Go on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Not anywhere near. You say not anywhere near when you want to
Emphasize.
emphasize that something is much less than something. I have not done anywhere never through work to pass the exam. We haven't anywhere never the money it takes not rest flat there.
Okay, let me explain this and read this last sentence to you. We haven't anywhere near, okay, the money it takes to rent a flat there. Meaning we do not have that much money, okay, that we can rent a flat there. Meaning that we can rent a flat there, okay. So this means that something is much less than something, okay. So meaning you do not have something enough, okay, you do not have something adequate, okay, you have something less. So for example, I have not done anywhere near enough work to pass the exam here, meaning I haven't done that much work, I haven't prepared that much, I haven't studied that much. So I have not done anywhere near, meaning I haven't done much study to pass the exam. Okay, got it? Okay, so Zubair would read the this one, second one. Believe it or not, yes. Zubair, would you like to read it? Who would like to read? Raise your hands.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read this one.
So believe it or not, so you say believe it or not when you are referring to something that is true but surprising or unlikely. Point 1. Believe it or not, it didn't rain all the time we were in London. And the second point, believe it or not, we found a cheap and comfortable place to stay right in the city center.
Okay, so this is also everyday expression in daily life. We say it many times. Believe it or not. Okay, meaning मनो ना
Yes,
मनो.
sir.
ये इसलिए हम चुनाव मनो ना मनो. ठीक है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
So believe it or not. So, for example, here in this sentence, believe it or not, it didn't rain all the time we were in London. In London, it rains so much. Okay, so they say, believe it or not, it didn't rain. मी न वस्यो मञो न मञो मी न वस्यो जेको बि टाइम असां लंडन में वियासीं न मी कोन वस्यो. Okay, so believe it or not, we found a cheap and comfortable place to stay right in the city center. Okay, so these two expressions are very good expressions. Okay, not anywhere near, believe it or not. Okay, so now let's read the third one, fancy. Who would like to read it? Uzair, would you like to read it?
Sir, may I?
Yes, Uzair, go on. Uzair will read it.
Fancy. You use fancy in this when is this in this way when you are surprised or shocked by something. Fancy. The boss given an extra raise, holidays at Christmas. Christmas. He usually so mean. Fancy. My new boyfriend's parents have just moved in next door to my uncle and aunt.
Okay, now this expression, this word fancy has multiple meanings. Okay, it has different meanings, some other meanings also. So, for example, when you say I fancy it is my book, for example. I fancy here in this sentence meaning I think it is my book. Okay, and here in this expression it's giving us another meaning. So when we say this in a way when we want to show surprise or shock, okay, when you are surprised or shocked by something, then you would use this way also. Okay, so fancy the boss giving an extra day's holiday at Christmas. He's usually so mean. Okay, meaning the boss usually is so mean, he's so selfish, he doesn't give any holidays, but he is giving extra holidays. Okay, so fancy meaning you are shocked, you are surprised. In another sentence, fancy my new friend's parents have just moved in next door to my uncle and aunt. Okay, so let's go to the expression. Who would like to read the other expression? Raise your hands. Farman, would you like to read this one? Feel free. Okay, Zubair, you go on. You are raising your hand. Okay, read Zubair.
So free. Feel free. You say feel free to someone to tell them that they are allowed to do something.
Okay, let me scroll up. Okay, so use read here now sentences. Yes, Zubair, read the sentences.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So please feel free to check your emails on my computer. And the second point of feel free to borrow any books you want from the college library.
Okay, good. So let me explain this to you again. Okay, so you say feel free to someone to tell them that they are allowed to do something. Okay, it's a very good expression. Okay, it is used, very often. Okay, it is also used in professional, letters and emails. Also, for example, if you receive any email, then they might ask you, feel free to ask anything, feel free to share your ideas. So the meaning something you want others to do. Okay, so you can also use the word feel free. Okay, feel free to borrow any book you want from the college library. Okay, तव्हांखे full freedom आहे. You have full freedom, you are allowed to do this. Okay, so please go ahead, do it. It's a very polite, very good way of asking someone to do something. Okay, so you can also use it in your class. You can say, for example, to your friend, feel free to ask me any fair copy anytime. For example, you can also say. Okay, so let's read the one who would like to read. There are many students in the class, so participate everyone. Karamat, would you like to read this? Yes, Karamat, hurry up. Read. You'll never guess. Let me see who is raising hand. Okay, Ozair, you go on. Would you read?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read.
Guys, you will never, guys.
No, no, not
You
guys.
use, you
Guess.
will never,
Guess.
guys.
Guess. The word is guess. Okay, you'll
Guess.
never guess.
You will never guess. You will never guess when you are going to tell someone something surprising or exiting. Exiting. You will never guess what the boss wanted to talk to me about. He wants me to be the office manager. You will never guess who was at the charity reception. reception last night, Prince William.
Okay, read this one also. Language help.
Language help. Ge- you use geese what in a similar way. Geese what? I have just got a big pay result. I not win the first prize, but guess what? I was commended highly for good citizenship.
Okay, let me first explain, tell you the proper pronunciation of the words. Okay, so the first expression here will say, you'll never guess. Guess. The word is guess. Okay, not the way you read it. Okay, so you'll never guess. Okay, and this word exciting. Okay, exciting. This word is exciting. Okay, so here again, guess what? Guess what? Okay. So सिंधी में चवंदा आहियूं न ख़बर अथई छा पोइ असां इंग्लिश में चवंदासीं गेस वॉट सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंहिंखे चवंदा ख़बर अथई छा उहो चवंदो छा ॿियो चवंदो छा ठीकु आहे सो माना गेस वॉट पोइ अॻिलो चवंदो वॉट so for example first let's read this expression and then this one. Okay, it's also the same, we can use it in similar way. Okay, so you'll never guess when you are going to tell someone something surprising or exciting. You'll never guess what the boss wanted to talk to me about. He wants me to be the office manager. माना तव्हांखे ख़बर आहे छा छा ॿियो पुछा कंदो छा जेकॾहिं माना ॿियो कुझु चवंदो त उहो ईअं चवंदो छा बॉस मूंखे चए थो त तूं मैनेजर थी ऑफिस जो माना तव्हां सोचे न सघंदव त बॉस मूंखे मूंसां छा ॻाल्हायो छा जे बारे में ॻाल्हाइणु चाहे पोइ ठीकु आहे so it's a very good expression. So another sentence, you'll never guess who was at the charity reception last night. Prince William. Prince William. तव्हां सम्झी न सघंदव तव्हां अंदाज़ो ई न लॻाए सघंदव त चैरिटी रिसेप्शन ते लास्ट नाइट केरु हुयो ख़बर अथव केरु हो लास्ट नाइट चैरिटी रिसेप्शन ते पोइ माण्हू चवंदो केरु हो विलियम ओके प्रिंस विलियम शहज़ादो विलियम हुयो यू विल नेवर गेस ओके ॿियो इहो साॻियो ई सिमिलर वे में यू कैन यूज़ गेस वॉट ओके guess what, I've just got a big pay rise. Okay, big pay rise, this also you mispronounced, so remember I'm reading this for all of you to understand the pronunciation as well. Okay, big pay rise. ख़बर अथव छा मूंखे न मुंहिंजी पघार वधी वई I have got a big pay rise. Guess what? For example, जेकॾहिं कोई मूंखे ईअं चवे guess what, पोइ मां चवंदो what चवंदो गेस कर छा ख़बर अथई छा मूंखे चवंदो मां चवंदुसि छा चवंदोमांसि I've just got a big pay rise. Okay, so other sentence, I didn't win the first prize, but guess what, I was commended highly for good citizenship. मां पहिरियों प्राइज़ न खटियो पर ख़बर अथव छा मुंहिंजी न ॾाढी तारीफ़ थी माना ठीकु आहे छाजे लाइ for good citizenship. Okay, okay, now let's read the other one. Who would like to read? Raise your hands. Haya, would you like to read this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read.
Heaven knows. You say heaven knows when you want implies that you do not know something. Why has Annie changed her mind about marrying Jake? Heaven knows she hasn't been giving Jake a reason. Heaven knows why James and Lacey bought a dog, the poor animals in the house on its own all days.
Okay, so the expression heaven knows. Okay, it's a very good expression. Heaven knows. You say heaven knows when you want to emphasize Haya, remember the word is emphasize. Okay, so try not to mispronounce again. See, emphasize, emphasize. This ph,
Yes, sir.
okay, this ph gives the sound of f. Okay, m m emphasize. Okay, emphasize. M A M A I Z, emphasize. Okay, so when you want to emphasize that you do not know something, okay, माना जॾहिं असांखे ख़बर न हुजे न, माना चवंदा आहियूं न अलाह ॼाणे, अलाह खे ख़बर, मूंखे कहिड़ी ख़बर, ठीकु आहे, अलाह थो ॼाणे, माना heaven knows. Okay, heaven knows why his Anne changed her mind about marrying Jack. जेका एन जेका आहे पंहिंजो ज़हन छो फेराए छॾियो आहे, माना ख़्यालु छो फेराए छॾियो अथई जेक सां शादी करण जो, माना ख़्यालु बदिलाए छॾियो अथई, भला छो? हेवन नोज़, अलाह थो ॼाणे, असांखे कहिड़ी ख़बर, ठीकु आहे. शी हैज़ंट इवन गिवन जेक अ रीज़न, उन त जेक खे कोई रीज़न बि न ॿुधायो आहे, सबब बि न ॿुधायो आहे, बसि पंहिंजो माइंड चेंज करे छॾियो अथई. ओके, हेवन नोज़ वाई जिम एंड लूसी bought a dog. The poor animals, the poor animals, माना इते पढ़ना है animal is, पर अगर contraction आता है असां पढ़ना है it's in contraction form, so we would read it in contracted form. The poor animal is in the house on its own all day. On its own माना अकेलो, alone, पाण ई अकेलो रहंदो आहे, ठीकु आहे. द पुअर वेचारो जानवर सॼो ॾींहुं घर में अकेलो आहे, ख़बर न आहे त लूसी ऐं जिम जेका आहे त इहो कुतो छो ख़रीदे कयो. Heaven knows why Jim and Lucy bought a dog. The poor animal is in the house on its own all day. Okay, so let's read some more. I keep on reading this language help. It's similar expression.
Yes, sir. You can also use goodness knows in the same way. Goodness knows where I purse
Us.
purse. I cannot find it anywhere. Goodness now Goodness knows what she's up to. She hasn't said a word to anyone the whole day.
Okay, very good. Now this is the similar expression, the expression that we discussed. Heaven knows. If you don't want to use these words, then you can also say goodness knows. Okay, goodness knows. Okay, goodness knows where I put my purse. I can't find it anywhere. Goodness knows what she's up to. When somebody is up to, माना ख़बर न आहे त अलाए कहिड़ो कमु थो करे, अलाए कहिड़ी कम में बिज़ी आहे, कोई कहिड़ी एक्टिविटी में बिज़ी आहे. ओके, सो असां चवंदा आहियूं न व्हाट आर यू अप टू, माना तव्हां छा था कयो अॼुकल्ह, ठीकु आहे, तव्हां छा था कयो हाणे, भला कहिड़ो कमु था कयो, कहिड़ी हैबिट आहे तव्हांजी, व्हाट इज़ योर रूटीन, व्हाट आर यू अप टू. ओके, सो व्हाट गुडनेस नोज़ व्हाट शी इज़ अप टू, अलाह खे ख़बर आहे त कहिड़े कम में बिज़ी आहे, छा थी करे. शी हैज़ंट सेड अ वर्ड टू एनीवन द होल डे, सॼो ॾींहुं कंहिंखे हिकिड़ो लफ़्ज़ बि न चयो अथई, अलाए कहिड़े कम में बिज़ी आहे. गुडनेस नोज़. Okay, so these are very good expressions. Okay, what happens here, meaning we people, when we don't know these expressions, we just say I don't know. Okay, so it would be very interesting when to use these expressions in our daily life. Heavens knows, goodness knows, instead of just saying, I don't know. Okay, so many times we say I don't know. Okay, so let's read the other one. Who would like to read? Raise your hands. I have many students here. Faisal, would you like to read? Okay, Farman, you go on. Hajra is also raising hand. Farman, you should read and then I'll give chance to Hajra. Okay, Hajra, you read. Read this one. Talk about.
Talk about I. You say talk about about I when want to emphasize something. Talk about rich. James is one of the wealthiest men in New York. Talk about stupid. My new assistant can't get any.
Anything right. Okay, Hajra, this is not I, it's exclamation point, okay, exclamation mark. Here, three dots meaning you would say something here, something is missing. Okay, for example, talk about rich. This word here, we can give here something, okay, whatever we want. For example, in this sentence, talk about stupid. Okay, here something we gave here, stupid, and then explanation, exclamation point meaning when we want to emphasize on something, ठीक है, and then we can say talk about. So for example, I'm saying talk about stupid. My new assistant can't get anything right. चैलेंज जे बारे में ॿुधायो, चैलेंज जे बारे में ॻाल्हायो। अञा कोई चरियो हूंदो आहे? मुंहिंजो नओं असिस्टेंट जेको आहे त का शइ सही नथो करे सघे। माना असां इन ॻाल्हि ते एम्फेसाइज़ था कयूं त जेको मुंहिंजो नओं असिस्टेंट आहे सफ़ा स्टूपिड आहे, सफ़ा चरियो आहे। पोइ माना जॾहिं इन ॻाल्हि खे एम्फेसाइज़ करणो हुजे त चवंदासीं टॉक अबाउट स्टूपिड। अञा कोई चरियो आहे? चरियनि जे बारे में ॿुधायो, चरियनि जी ॻाल्हि कयो। माना सिंधी में अहिड़े क़िस्म जा एक्सप्रेशन ॾींदासीं, चरियनि जी ॻाल्हि कयो। अहिड़ो कोई चरियो आहे? ठीक है, माना अहिड़े क़िस्म जा एक्सप्रेशन असां सिंधी में चई सघूं था। ठीक आहे, talk about stupid. My new assistant can't get anything right. Talk about rich. Jim is one of the wealthiest men in New York. अमीरनि जी ॻाल्हि कयो। जेम जेको आहे, जेकॾहिं तव्हां अमीरनि जी ॻाल्हि कंदव, अमीरनि जी ॻाल्हि कयो, अमीर माण्हुनि जी ॻाल्हि कयो। अमीर माण्हुनि में जेम्स जेको आहे त न्यूयॉर्क में सभिनी खां अमीर माण्हू आहे। Okay, so something like this we can say in Sindhi also. Aisha is raising hand, some others were raising hand, so keep on raising, I'll give you chance. Okay, who would read this one? There is nothing to touch. Okay, make it. Okay, Aisha, you go. Yes, Aisha, read this one. Your voice is not clear. Aisha, your voice is lagging.
You say there's nothing to touch something when you mean it's very.
Aisha, can you read it again? There is an internet issue with your connection. Your connection is maybe slow. Your voice is not stable. It's lagging. Okay, Meghna, please you go on. We will give chance to Aisha later until she fixes her internet issue.
Touch. There is nothing to touch. You say there is nothing to touch something when you mean that it is the best, the most enjoyable, etc.
Okay, let's read. Okay, read here.
There is nothing to touch my mom's cooking. There is nothing to touch a glass of chilled white wine on a really hot.
Okay, very good. Now this expression is very good expression. Okay, so when we want to say that something is the best or something is the most enjoyable or etc. Okay, so we would say there is nothing to touch my mom's cooking. Mana muji ma jehdi cooking koi kando hi kone, best cooking auna ji. There is nothing to touch my mom's cooking. Okay, there's nothing to touch a glass of chilled white wine on a really hot day. Chilled mana thado white wine khan behtarin ka shay aahe hi na garmi wale diyan de. Okay, so the sentence means this. Okay, so there is nothing to touch. It's a very good expression. It's a spoken expression. Okay, so this is a little informal. Okay, so you won't use it in essay or something. Maybe in stories you are writing in dialogue, then your characters might say this. Okay, you can use it, but in your daily life with your friends you can use these. Okay, so let's read. Aisha, read now this one. What about it?
What about it? You say what about it in an informal context when you make a suggestion to someone and you are asking if they agree to it. We would like to offer you the job of manager. What about it? I will give you $10,000 for your car. What about it?
Okay, it's a very good expression. Okay, so it's informal. Okay, in informal context, you say it when you make a suggestion to someone and you are asking if they agree to it. Okay, so for example, when here in the sentence, somebody is making a suggestion or an offer, we'd like to offer you the job of manager. What about it? असां तव्हांखे जेका आहे त मैनेजर जी जॉब था ॾियूं, ठीकु आहे, तव्हां वठंदव, खणंदव? आर यू अग्रीड? वॉट अबाउट इट? माना इन जे बजाए व्हाट डू यू से, कंहिंखे ईअं चओ व्हाट डू यू से, यू कैन आल्सो से व्हाट अबाउट इट. ओके, आई विल गिव यू okay $10,000 for your car. What about it? माना एतिरा पैसा ॾींदोसांव, $10,000 ॾींदोमांव. ओके, कार जा छा था चओ? What about it? ओके, माना डू यू एग्री? सिंधी चवंदा छा था चओ? $10,000 ॾींदोमांव कार जा, छा था चओ? तव्हांजो छा राय आहे? What about it? Okay, meaning we are making any offer, any suggestion, and we are asking them, do you agree? Okay, so last one, who would like to read this? Hajra, you read this.
Sarasva is saying.
Okay, read us.
Sarasva is saying to read.
Okay, read it.
Under the silver users will
Aswa's voice is not stable. Aswa, your voice is not stable. Let's. Okay, Hajra, would you like to read it again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read.
Wonders. Wonder will never cease. You say wonders will never cease to express surprise. Wonders will never cease. There were no delays at the airport. Wonders will never cease. You're getting quite a large pay rise.
Okay, the word is quiet. Okay, not this word is quite. Okay, quite a large pay rise this year. Okay, so wonders will never cease. We say it to express surprise. अच्छा ठीक आहे, माना कॾहिं कॾहिं असां सिंधी में बड़ी क़िस्म चवंदा आहियूं न, हे अजूबो आहे, ठीकु आहे, हीअं माना दुनिया में अजूबा जेका आहे त माना अजूबो आहे, हीअं अहिड़े क़िस्म जो कुझु सिंधी में बि चवंदा आहियूं. ठीकु आहे, सो जॾहिं असां सरप्राइज़ शो करणु चाहियूं त वी कैन से वंडर्स विल नेवर सीज़. ठीकु आहे, माना स्टॉप न थिया, सीज़ मीनिंग टू स्टॉप. ठीकु आहे, वंडर्स विल नेवर सीज़ माना अजूबा कॾहिं ख़तमु न थींदा, अजूबा ख़तमु न थींदा कॾहिं. माना सिंधी में थोरी लिटरल मीनिंग ईअं थी सघे थी. There were no delays at the airport. Wonders will never cease. Airport is the जेका आहिनि त delays थींदा आहिनि, flights delay थींदियूं आहिनि, पर कोई बि delay न हुयो. Wonders will never cease. माना surprised आहे मूंखे. I am really surprised that there was no any delay at the airport. Okay, wonders will never cease. We are getting quite a large pay rise this year. असां हिन साल ॾाढी सुठी तमामु घणी पघार जी जेका आहे न वधे थी, असांजी पे राइज़ थी असांखे मिले. वंडर्स विल नेवर सीज़. ठीकु आहे, माना वॾी हैरत आहे असांखे. ओके, सो दिस इज इट एवरीबडी. टुडे वी हैव discussed some very good expressions. Okay, so you can use these, you can learn these. Okay, and then do use them in your own language. ठीकु आहे, पंहिंजे क्लास में तव्हां ॻाल्हायो. ठीकु आहे, you'll never guess, for example, talk about. ठीकु आहे, ऐं the assignment that I give you about writing dialogue and using these expressions in GCR after we are done with this kind of lesson, do write the dialogue. Okay, उन dialogue में कोशिश कयो ये expressions तव्हां use कयो. ऐं ॿियो कमु इहो बि कयो that after the class, once this is on the YouTube channel, go and see and make notes in the copy. Pass करोगे जो के, okay, and then write the expression in copy. For example, expression I you'll never guess, okay, and any थोड़ी explanation लिखो, में थोड़ा copy में record रखो, okay. So this will help you your internet or something. Whenever if you are away from your computer or mobiles, your copy, your expressions would be with you, and you can read, and then you can also use in your stories, in your essays, when you are in the class, okay. So who would like to give me some examples, use any expression and give examples? Still we have 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Who would use the expression believe it or not, okay, in any sentence? Believe it or not. Anyone? Raise your hand if you can use it.
And may I tell you?
Yes, tell.
Believe it or not, my teacher has agreed to make me monitor of the class.
Okay. Believe it or not, my teacher has made me the monitor of the class. Okay. मैंने एक बार कहो ना कहो मुझे टीचर मुझे monitor कहो आए. Okay. Who would like to use heaven knows? Yes. Aswa, would you like to tell us any sentence? Heaven knows, using this expression. Okay, anyone else? Haya, would you like to use this? Heaven knows.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Heaven knows our schools are open or not.
Again.
Heaven knows our schools are open or not.
Okay. Heaven knows our schools are open or not. Okay. Okay. Meaning you don't know. Okay, good. So who would like to use wonders will never cease? Okay, Aswa, tell us any sentence. Wonders will never cease.
Wonders will never cease. I got position.
Okay. Okay, very good. Meaning you are so much surprised. Meaning usually you do not get any position, but you got it. Okay, you are yourself so much surprised. Wonders will never cease. I've got a position. Right? This is the meaning of your sentence. Okay. Anyone else who would like to use? Who would use you'll never guess? Or guess what? Okay. Zubair, would you like to give any sentence using this one? You'll never guess. Make a situation. Okay.
May I tell?
Okay, we are stopping here since my Zoom is going to stop working in less
May I
than 8
tell,
seconds.
please?
You can tell me in GCR because the time is up. Automatically, the meeting would be stopped by GCR. Okay.
Okay, sir. Khuda Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Okay, sir, bye.